Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Zelle error code 724. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your settings, and once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the Zelle app and then tap on it. And once you're inside the app, what you need to do is tap on the option that says upload app, tap on it, and then what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. Once that's done, all you gotta do is try again. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and once you're inside there, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then on the search bar simply type in Zelle and then search for it. Tap on the app to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.